With the help of this activity, let us study how the different kinds of surfaces are affect the force of friction. Now, look at the first figure. Here, the surface is rough. In the second one, the surface is very rough, and in the third one, the surface is smooth. We try to slide the cars on these three different kinds of surfaces. When the cars slide on these three different surfaces, you will see that the car which was slided on the rough surface moved to a very shorter distance, where the surface was rough but not as much as the second one. The car moved a little more. But in the third case, when the surface was very smooth, the car moved the farthest. So, with this, we can say that the surface affects the movement of a vehicle. The smooth surface where the friction is the least, the car could slide the farthest, and where the surface was very rough due to friction, the car could not move as far as the others. Now I want you to perform these activities just now. Rub your palms together. What happens when you first gently rub it and then rub the palms fast? Now you can sit or stand in this position and rub your palms against each other. When you rub your palms, yes, you feel the warmth in your palms because the rubbing of palms together generates heat due to friction. The second activity, when you ride a bicycle, when you pull the brakes, what happens? The brakes press the tire and the tire rubs against the road. The cycle stops due to friction. Think of bowling in a play zone area. As the ball goes down the lane, what happens? When the ball begins to slow down due to friction as it goes down the lane, it may slightly change its direction, roll in other directions, or go straight and roll down all the bowling pins kept in front. With the help of this activity, we will learn that the frictional force increases on increasing the mass of a moving object. Here we have two boys who are pushing two different boxes. The box that is smaller, the mass is less. The box which is bigger in size, the mass is more. This box with a smaller mass offers less friction, whereas box with greater mass offers more friction. So we can say that the frictional force increases if the mass of an object is more. Thus, we can say that the force of friction depends on the mass of an object and the kind of surface or material that are in contact with each other.